So today we've been showing a lot of products, as this is a Cyber Monday. A lot of people are doing shopping online, and right now I'm gonna show you some stuff which is a useful stuff. It's useful to clean your house and your car. If you're looking for some cool electric device which can assist you with cleaning, this is an interesting thing to look at. It's an electric telescopic pen scrubber. Oh my gosh, doesn't that sound so serious? So when you open it up, that's what you see inside. Open it up. There's an instruction manual, and there is the scrubber itself. Let's pull it out of there. This is the scrubber, the base. We can take this off if we want. Can leave it on for now. This is the stuff you use. Oh my gosh, it turned on! It did! Wow, isn't that so cool? I think I need to stop it right now. I haven't even read the instruction manual. Let's just hold it. And it's supposed to turn off. Yeah. That's so fast, right? I didn't even know it's charged. So this one has a lot of things on it. Oh, thank you very much. Just have to hold the button for longer. This one has a lot of things which goes on top of this thing, right? So it has, I think, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And I think it has some underneath as well. Oh yeah, my gosh, it comes even with gloves. So handy, right? Just go clean right away. This one here is for polishing, which is nice. This is a polishing one. And this one here is a scrubbing one. And those here are the extensions for it. So you actually can make it much longer. You actually can make it really long. And I think the most efficient part about such things is that you can reach really high up or far forward. If you're trying to clean, for example, some spider webs up in the ceiling, you can quite easily reach it with this thing, right? I think it goes right inside. Oh yeah, right inside over here. Don't flip it. Oh, so it clicks quite easily. And you already have quite, oh, I can reach the ceiling almost from here. That's actually really cool. So this thing, I think, meant to scrub out the webs. Let's try and see how it will work. This is another extension right here. You can clip it to make it even longer. Look at that. It's really, really long and reachable. And I've heard that it's really cool to polish your car with things like that. Those things would attach to this thing right here. You can take this one off, put this one on, or change it back to this one. And this is how it attaches. And then you can unattach it. So let's try and see how it works with a brush on. Gotta fix it and lock it on and turn it on. Cool, isn't it? Shik, 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 shik. So if you need to clean something really high up, you can do like this. I'm gonna clean everything in the studio like this. You can clean here. You can scrub the bathroom, for example. Wow. Wow, this is really cool. I think it's really nice. This is how you turn it off. It also has an adjustable speed, and you can figure all of it out and when to use which part in this instruction manual, which will show you like the best way to apply every single like stuff of them. This is obviously for polishing. So yeah, really handy thing. I'm in. Ready for cleaning right away. I think it might have been helpful, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you for your attention.
Great. Thank you.
Good, no worries.